Back acne is one of those things nobody talks about, but so many people struggle with. And the worst part? You can be glowing everywhere else. Face clear, hair done, skin soft, but your back just refuses to behave. The truth is, back acne is fixable. You don't need expensive treatments, you don't need to hide your skin, and you don't need to feel insecure about it. Today, I'm going to show you how to actually get rid of back acne, what causes it, what you can fix immediately, and the habits that will make your skin smoother and clearer over time. 1. Fix what touches your back every day. Most people don't realize that back acne is often caused by the things you put on your body or forget to wash. Your clothes matter. Tight clothing traps sweat and bacteria. Synthetic fabrics make it worse. Choose cotton or breathable fabrics, especially when working out or in hot weather. Your towel and bed sheets also matter. If you sleep on the same sheet for too long or use the same towel every day, you're putting your skin back into old sweat and oils. Wash your sheets weekly, change towels often, and switch to a clean cotton shirt before bed. These tiny changes instantly reduce breakouts. 2. Use the right body wash. You can't treat back acne with regular soap. You need something that actually kills acne-causing bacteria and unclogs your pores. Look for body washes with salicylic acid, BHA, unclogs pores, benzoyl peroxide, kills acne bacteria. Use them every time you shower, and be consistent. That's where people go wrong. Back acne improves when you stick to a routine, not when you switch products every week. 3. Wash your back last, not first. This is one of the biggest mistakes people make. You wash your hair, conditioner runs down your back, and then you step out of the shower. Conditioners and oils clog the pores on your back like crazy. So always wash your hair first, then wash your back last using an acne body wash. This simple switch alone can clear up a ton of breakouts. 4. Fix your sweat routine. Sweat doesn't cause acne, but leaving sweat on the skin does. If you work out or sweat throughout the day, try this routine. Shower right after working out, or wipe your back with a wet cloth or body wipe. Change into clean clothes immediately. Never sit in wet, sweaty, or dirty clothes. That's the fastest way to cause back acne flare-ups. 5. Use simple, effective back treatments. Face acne treatments work on back acne too, and sometimes even better because your back skin is thicker. Use niacinamide, reduces redness and marks, AHA, BHA lotions, unclogs pores. Retinol, if you want faster results. Apply these at night after your shower. Just make sure your skin is fully dry before applying. Wet skin absorbs too much product and can get irritated. 6. Don't pick or scratch. It's tempting, but picking back acne causes dark spots, scars, and makes the breakout spread. If it itches, use soothing products like aloe gel or a calming lotion. Your back heals slower than your face, so be gentle with it. Back acne doesn't make you ugly. It doesn't make you dirty. And it definitely doesn't mean you're not attractive. It just means your skin needs a little structure, a little cleaning, and a little patience. Fix your habits, be consistent with your routine, and your back will clear up, smoother, softer, and glowing. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more glow-up routines and tips. Your glow is always within reach.